The clock is ticking for local businesses along Elton Hills Drive. 1 week from today, construction will begin on the bridge over the Zumbro River on Elton Hills Drive Northwest, and that will cut off access to some of the businesses in that area. Rachel Mills is live near the construction site. And Rachel, I know that traffic piles up because some of the pylons are there. What are things going to look like next week?
Well, Betsy, depending on when you drive by next week, there might not even be a bridge here at all, because starting next Monday, crews will be on scene demolishing this bridge to make room for a whole new one.
In 2018, there was routine inspections of the bridge that identified some structural issues. The decision was made that it was best to just reconstruct the entire bridge.
Megan Moeller, the communications coordinator for the City of Rochester, says it's an aging bridge and we need a better one. The price tag for the new bridge is over $5 million. The city says that money is coming from the federal government. Construction begins on Monday the 11th and lasts until next July.
So there will be established detours.
Traffic will be sent south to cross the river at 13th Street, and pedestrians will be sent north to cross on the pedestrian bridge on the Zumbro North Trail. And much like we've seen with the Broadway construction this summer, there will be signage rerouting drivers. But one local business owner says he can't compare this to the Broadway construction.
I think it's going to be a lot worse.
Dennis Wong is the owner of the Dunbros and Blue Plate Diner on Elton Hills Drive. And he says this construction will no doubt impact business.
You know, marketing and communication, that's all we can do.
He says this detour is substantial, which will likely make people think twice before popping in for a cup of coffee. Wong says the city has been as helpful as it can, and business owners in the area are joining together to lessen the blow.
The neighborhood also is trying to organize to get people to come up to know that if they come up here, they can do multiple stops to make it more convenient.
So business owners want you to know that you can grab a coffee, stop by the bank, and pop into the pharmacy all in this one neighborhood. And they hope that making multiple stops will not only help them, but will help make your trip worth that little bit of extra driving. And once it's reopened, this new bridge will still have 4 lanes just like it does now. Back to you.